He's a Tom. Planted earth is blue, no black, and there's nothing I can do. It's like New Deal. Let's do a heel flip, okay? Turn, you still got 20 years to go. That's my wife. She told me to kill myself. Kill yourself, motherfucker. Kill germs. Where's the bird? Hold on. Hello, Doug. Where are you segregating right now? The birds are all segregated. The black birds come flying and they feed the brown birds. And the brown birds fly off. And the sparrows are there right early in the morning, but they're not really too much into the day because they're already so tired. It's just like, this is Jermstick's bird show number 4, I guess. And the
This is
bird,
3.
you ever heard geese flying
This
over?
is show 3.
Oh, it's not show 3.
Yeah, we did 1 and 2. This is part 3.
See, that could be funny, but I don't want no money for it. I just want to get drunk. That's it. Just like a 30 guy, you know.